Mina video me gwich ba lan she leg ni video ten right now. I don't know. Just listen.
Akobo taka mal. Jua. Cha ben ka wei dang. Cha SPDF cha welcome. And Commissioner James Kwen Makwach. And wala chi ko ba taka mal. E diala kon chi jian kwat weekend dial. Loja jaw. Loja ka koba Yatakamal. Day me, day South Sudan. Tell me, dear, the ballet. Espele waye. Espele waye. Thank you.
Don't worry. She leg me that in which corner we corner. Right now, Ramlin corner make a video me. Again, Commissioner Dung Akobo. Commissioner Akobo County, young former Commissioner Akobo County, Charlie Queen Makwach. Here, Queen Yaleo. Jen Chajian, the Ogwazadan and Tiji, they netted Ladina SSP, the afternoon content Nakan Wereka Akobo. Music on we corner, just let me simply talk about myself, Alan. A vida gay, yeah, along K, no shara. Banati kel karan, arandan, no corner, take kel corner, generandan. Just ka guatot karwa de brambro the win. Word wool kill you. Canadian and you got to more convert all of them can. Chana reporting, right? Report Charlotte. Ka kwide and woken ka akobo. La din SSPDF. Within ka akobo chicken a lot of bang. They got you akobo ka kor, they got you akobo and a kadu of dong medekan and jikaja. In a state, and they take resistant. They kid they already watch shit go down which na you do a lot of na win rodian. She quit Makwach. Chero the surrender cherotu. Chetumo local surrender. A part of the plan and an alatke a young Canadian economy kelke kir. Million population dan, there are 1,000 people, if not a million. Well, she can jen ka kubjinara bar. Go take a plan, Shalat Kapinya Canadi, me quit Ramkel. You know, already you guys have seen that video. No, calling in Joro Guatam. Then you play them yelling so because this is very sad. Very sad along. You know, Shiramimo Milaran Nuerisha Jadelat. So let's just listen to it together because Bana cooling your right con just go to yelling Muto.
Akobo taka mal. Jua. Cha ben ka wei dang. Cha SPDF cha welcome. And Commissioner James Kwen Makwach. And wala chi ko ba taka mal. E diala kon chi jian kwat weekend dial. Loja jaw. Loja ka koba.
Right now, Micheline, you're gonna know Akobo take a mal, Yene Diala Conti, and Gosnik and Dial, a lonya jog, lonya Revika Kobo, lonya jog. Michelanti Jen, Chirobarka Kobo, a while Loja witch ka Kobo. Ka talk, Name, there a con gay along cause Nuer. Misha surrender Kakumi came yet, but now you know Lona Joksha Maltiban. Malbeid papa ina na gwada kana mene threat me jo ka ji humanitarian jo ka jana ga kuimuka anyway she can block the chicken where block so right now the ramtika akobo ne de konde ji jen ka akobo okay akobo na ten yes SPLA yo jaten men Nuer army do no civilian shi ga jen charen woj ko changa jeno na me kor en kwet makwaje me dan ji kon me chaade woje ne gore we ka kum kel yadi ke je ne all those allegations telling kon me dan le de chere mike kai ni mat ka to ano shika rudian to ko kuyo na cause this is all about money by the way me kon gi kon and we all really feel sad ne te kon te cha na ne ka je te cha no ne ka je ti kon di ale nen na tera mute loide you know katin kon chicken kalat Ryan amu bukun no kwa bela lo jok shimal che ben lo re which the orange te kamal NTG and chewe gwadana tiji SSPD up to gatin way dang yan lo joka akobo shi akobo che te kamal many we remember jen first of all charge we position the former commissioner shango de la commissioner former commissioner so mi bere with da laro en chat ya ben kujime kume kirme yadid so ne de kono gorka alwanya regoch you know meje ne exactly him god ante you can see even the body language ke ngeje na menchal la chayar of course changa de no chedu na chayar match cause en gwade niam ba imagine you know kan ware of course changman continue wara to tigu tini chungan kelge kula la gat lo Nuer tichu guri anagore kurma still there's still kurjatan so bejamat you know mi kon gu kon bechelo and be commissioner be shuru no lonya jok mal jatan wal me je gwano je spile ka ayu katin okay aku jen ka spile ayu kana te wana mo tin content door ka je spile ayu the kan chicken SSPD chicken yon match mukuna jugo no lonya jok belaro SPLA ye kirm yadi do ye all this thing doctor guy kugo ye jenyu go no chejen already too much you can see it even with the language already she feel all right she feel okay go down teten she ramuko feel okay cause time she I don't feel it man jen but she feel ne jen wo regedi ko jen there is fast can you right now you know right right go no go jen ja
akobo taka mal jua
cha kep dio
cha ben ka we dang cha SPDF cha welcome and commissioner James Kwet Makwach and wala chi ko be taka mal e diala kon ci jien ngad ken dial lo jaw lo ka kobe yataka mal deyme dey South Sudan tel mi je belat SPLA waye thank you
yande je dey South Sudan tel mi je belat me ci kana nak doro mo kalankan ngomot so anyway jenana gore nyaaya kel ne jen latest information ka ko former commissioner dunga ko me la ran SPLA yo jen chane no che SSPD apchika welcome way down and ban report and think ka korgo den be ban jeling no ngumle road right now just chat jangna video de jenen yenamo and then ban logi but me chaga je lon kan wori ajen la na alarno ala disunity jaga kon ko kona week mitala kon mat dong no wura amro de ka kambe cham kim ba gor ci der ka we du kelu be jelon ne de shukula la ne de shugudi cha jojo ka we lo ka diala kon ka ne shubdi ya ko ne ko so too much be jamat so anyway again information an go de nyoy kel ban je ko meden